Hey, is there Jasmine? Uh, yeah. Do you remember me? From school? I'm sorry. I don't remember you. Did you study together? Yes, and we lived in the same dorm too. Really? What floor did you live on? I lived on the ninth floor. You lived on the seventh floor. That's right. How did you know? I would see you in the elevator sometimes. I'm sorry. I don't remember you. It's all right. It was several years ago. Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again. What is your name? My name is Sophia. Sophia Wilson, right? Yes. See? So you do remember me? Okay. So where do you live now? I live in an apartment. Oh, do you live with your parents? No. My parents moved to the country. They must be happy there. Yes, they enjoy it very much. So, do you live alone? No, I share the apartment with an old friend. Really? A friend? Is he a boyfriend? No, she's an old friend from school. We have known each other for many years. How about you, Jasmine? Where do you live? Oh, I rent an apartment. I'm by myself. Do you like it there? Yeah, but it's kind of noisy. Oh, maybe you should complain your neighbors. Oh, no, no. I'm the one who makes the noise. What did you do yesterday? I went to see a movie. What did you see? I saw the Avengers. Was it good? Oh, yes. It was very exciting. What did you do? I went to eat with my family. Where did you go? We went to Olive Garden. Was the food good? Yes, it was good. Do you have any brothers and sisters? I have one sister. Who is older? You or your sister? My sister is older than me. Do you get along with your sister? Yes, we get along. How about your parents? My father died many years ago. I'm sorry to hear about that. My mother is fine. She's very strong and likes to work. What does your mother do? She teaches at a university. That's great. What does she teach? She teaches mathematics. How about you? Are you married? No, I'm not married yet. Where are you from? I come from London. You come from London. Do you like Liverpool FC? No, I don't like it. Oh, you don't like it? I see. Why did you come here? I came for vacation. You came for a vacation. Are you fun? Yes, I'm having a great time. What do you like the best about here? What do I like the best? Well, the people are very kind. Yes, the people here are very kind. Do you like the food? Yes, the food is great. Is the food too spicy for you? No, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day. How much longer will you stay here? I will stay 2 more days. Oh, then you will go home? Yes, then I will go home. Where do you work? I work for a big company. What kind of company do you work for? I work for an import company. And what about you? I work at a bank. Are you a bank teller? No, I'm the owner. Hey, how was your vacation? It was very fun. Oh, where did you go? I went to the beach. Who did you go with? I went with my father, mother, and older sister. Did you have a house at the beach? No, we stayed at the hotel. Which hotel did you stay at? It's called the Grand Palace. Have you stayed there before? Yes, we have been going there for years. It must be very nice. Yes, it's very nice and not too expensive. Did you play in the water? Yes, I went swimming. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See you again.